stuff. Actually, it's a very nice day, but for the, bumpiness.
It was smooth for a piece.
So, the lovely town of Hilliard, and there's a water tower here, we'll see it.
November 6534 Bravo, on the downwind for runway 36, flight baby.
What airfield did he say?
I have no idea. Somewhere else. A lot of towers, so just,
I see 'em.
and I put obstacles on your thing.
Okay.
See it.
So your traffic, Skyhawk 1100, going to be joining the downwind, 1 mile out for runway 36 Hilliard.
Hey, don't go low out here. Be disciplined on your pattern altitude. Oh yeah. So we may never touch down today, and I'm okay with that.
Same.
You'll get a little bit of a flavor of what we need to be doing.
November 6534 Bravos on final for runway 36 squared.
Winds are pretty stiff, my friend.
Yeah, they are.
Okay,
they really are.
So where this is going to be interesting. All right, tell you what, I got the controls.
Got the control.
I need to see what's going on here. And
Okay.
the car peep was out, just so you know.
Okay.
Hey, traffic, Skyhawk 1100, left downwind 36 Hilliard. I need to make a little mini assessment, even if I embarrass myself. I'm inclined to do. All right. And both to make sure it's red seatbelts. I'm good. Check yours, please. Car peat's on, landing lights on, flaps 30. 60-ish. And I won't go too deep, even if I'm a little high, I won't go too deep. We fight demons out here.
1083.
Yeah, shut your mouth. Hey, traffic, Skyhawk 1100, left base 36 Hilliard. I cannot see the runway. The way out there. Okay, we're real deep,
Yeah,
so
we're
I
deep.
gotta. And that's that east wind, by the way. So
Yeah.
first thing I learned from my first pass, we're getting pushed big time.
Oh yeah.
Big time. Like I'm having to really work this. So okay, I'm gonna bring her down again. Oh yeah, damn. This may be a dead crosswind. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna low approach,
And
and
see what it feels
I
like.
want you to look at the windsock off to your left. Tell me what it's saying. If it's dead crosswind, we may not play today.
Yeah.
All right, makes sense? Because
It does.
this is just training. We don't need to do stupid stuff.
Lights are on.
Hey, traffic, Skyhawk 1100, final 36, low approach, Hilliard. Yeah, look.
Right.
I'm crabbing.
Yep.
So this
See
is,
it.
oh yeah, this is dead crosswind. I don't think, come out and do low approaches. It's probably our best bet. Look at this. I'm not doing anything. This is insane.
I feel like you should do something.
Well, I will as we get closer, but I'm just trying to make a point that.
Yeah, look at I can see the sock now. It's at least 60 degrees off to the runway.
And it's gusty too, that's the other problem.
Yeah.
So, you know. Oh yeah, bumpy, gusty, coming in over the trees. Now when you come here, okay, you're really gonna have to come in and basically, oh damn, chop it and just come in. Driver, I'm just gonna go straight to 10 and get it 60. Technically, I'm supposed to get it. Now I'm just gonna get the door. I'm gonna leave the flaps down, which is what they say. I would get them down and just go straight up. I am clear of the trees, so now I can do this. Big settle. Oh, shut up. All right, you're gonna try it. You can do this. I have total faith.
Okay.
I have total faith in your ability to. So you're fighting dragons, and the wind is kind of. What the windsock say, by the way?
It was about 60 degrees.
Okay, so you're fighting a big. So a solo, no way.
Absolutely not.
But we'll play with it. If you ever get not comfortable, you know, just take it around. We'll give it a shot. I'm feeling good today.